I'm colleague Graham from Sales Excellence, and let me show you a sales training strategy that I helped to build for a company. First question I asked, what is the purpose of a business? What is the purpose of your business? Peter Drucker answered this question by saying the purpose of a business is to create and keep a customer. So why do you need to sell? Well, Daniel Pink, the author of Selling is Human, had this to say: moving people, i.e. selling, but also persuading or influencing, has become an essential component of nearly everyone's job in the modern workplace. So, well, we had to start with a sales strategy plan for our client. We looked at the customer, market and the territory, the coverage and a channel strategy. We looked at the sales force structure and size and what was the behavioural blueprint of the sales team. Next, we wanted to go to sales messaging. What was the messaging that the company was putting out? How were they engaging with their customers? What was their sales conversation about? And what was their marketing? And was their marketing aligned with the sales? We then looked at their sales process. We looked at how they would gain customers, looked how they developed opportunities, how they developed accounts, and what was the management of their pipeline. We then looked at sales management, sales training, the coaching, the metrics, and their CRM systems. And then we looked at behaviours and competency of their sales force. What was the competency model? Was there a gap analysis between their priorities and where they wanted to be? And how could we develop the sales team with training? Adoption and execution was we started tracking metrics, we looked for continuous improvement, and we looked for transformation readiness to move them forward. We looked at sales enablement, how they executed their sales process, how they communicated their sales message and developed their skills. And then we looked at sales management development, sales leadership discipline, coaching skills and practices, and team development. So we built an online course for the salespeople that we could carry these things through. Let us help you with your online sales training strategy. Call us on 044 752 678 3121 or visit our website at onlinesalesacademy.com or at salesexcellence.com.